Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. Pinning tabs is a handy feature that helps keep important tabs accessible and prevents you from accidentally closing them. When a tab is pinned, it stays locked in place, giving you quick access whenever you need it. If you want to keep certain tabs open, let's go over how to pin them. Start by opening Google Chrome and setting up a few tabs. Once you have multiple tabs open, let's say you want to pin one of them. Just right-click on the tab you want to pin, then select Pin. And that's it. Now your tab is pinned. It doesn't have a close button, so it won't accidentally close. Plus, its position is locked, so it won't move around even if you open new tabs. You can close other tabs, but this one will stay fixed in place. If you want to unpin it later, just right-click the tab again and select Unpin. The tab will go back to its usual place, and you can close it like any other tab. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.